1967 vintage speedster replica. Its title is a 68 Volkswagen. Has a 4-speed transmission, dual chrome wheels, headlight guards, arch cloth soft top and cover, chrome slotted wheels. Has all the look of the original for a fraction of the price. A vintage speedster replica.
50 pounds, 40 pounds, so now going to be 30. 30 pounds, negative 15, 20. 15, 25. 20, 22, 25 pounds, again, 25, 7. 25, 27, 8. 28, 27 pounds, negative 28 pounds, another bed. 27 pounds, 28 pounds, another dollar. 27, 28 pounds, another bed. 27, 28 pounds, another. Give me 8, sir. 27, 28. 27 pounds, another bed. 28 pounds, 27 pounds, another bed. 28 pounds, another bed. 27 pounds, another. Then we get 28 pounds, another on it. 27, 28. 27 pounds, another bed. 28 pounds, another in all. 27, 28 pounds, another bed. 27 to bed, 28. 28, give me the bound, I get 8 pounds out. 27, 28 pounds, another. Anybody else? 27 to bed, 28 pounds out. 27 pounds, out of bed, 28 pounds, another bed. Close bed, 27 pounds, and close bed is 27.